Okay, so I'm gonna break it down. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down pretty slowly here, all right? So it's octaves. Your index finger goes on the 9th fret, 5th string. Your third finger goes on the 11th fret, 3rd string, and you're gonna deaden or mute with your pointer finger is gonna naturally mute this 4th string. So you're only gonna hear, you're not gonna hear that, you're gonna hear 6th, 5th, that one's gonna be muted, 3rd finger, and then the 1st string. You can let the 2nd string ring if you want, or you can tilt your 3rd finger back and mute it as well. I'm gonna mute it, so, but you can do it either way. So he's gonna slide up. Now it's gonna be a slide with a strum combination. He's going, and that open sound rings the whole time. This E and this E are gonna ring this whole time. So it's strum slide, up, down, up, down, back to the 9th. So he went 9 to 11, up, down, up, down, back to the 9th, 7th fret, slide up to the 9th. So strum slide, up, down, up, back to the 7th. Okay, so he went strum slide, up, down, up, down. So he's going strum slide, up, down, up, down, strum slide, up, down, up, down. 9 to 11, 7 to 9, back to 7, 7 to 9, oh, sorry, 9 to 11, 9 to 11, and then 7 to 9. Strum slide, up, down, up, down, 7 to 9, up, down, up, down. You can add an extra kind of 16th note strum at the end if you want, once you get the simpler one. Strum slide, up, down, up, down, strum slide, up, down, up, down, strum slide, up, down, strum slide, up, down, down. And then he goes down here to the verse. Kind of starts with this, it's the same thing the whole time, so he's trying to throw in some variations on chords to give it some interest. So it's E, but not an E major or an E minor. It's kind of like an E power chord just to kind of get you into the verse. So you don't want to hear the 3rd string ring. Only the bottom 3 strings really need to ring, 6, 5, and 4. My index is on the 2nd fret, 5th string. My middle's on the 2nd fret, 4th string, and I'm just strumming 6, 5, and 4. So on this one, this is an interesting B chord, but it's easier because you don't have to bar it. Pointer finger on the 7th fret. You're going to mute the 5th with your index like we did on the octave thing. 3rd or ring finger on the 9th fret, 4th string. Middle finger on the 8th fret, 3rd string. I'm only strumming the bottom 4 strings, and I'm only hearing. Actually, I'm going to strum the 2nd string too. Or if you do, it doesn't matter. You can or you can't. It's up to you. It won't matter. You don't really want to hear the 1st. Anyway, so E, and then he goes to this C sharp minor 7th chord. It's kind of a fancy chord, but not hard to play. Middle finger on the 9th fret. Well, not terribly hard to play. Middle finger on the 9th fret, 6th string. 3rd finger on the 9th fret, 4th string. Pinky on the 9th fret, 3rd string. And he strums really, and he mutes again. The middle finger now is muting this 5th string, the one in between 6 and 4. All right? So I'm hitting it on all these muted strings. I'm hitting it, but you're just not hearing it. So C sharp minor, and that's kind of like an A thing. He keeps 3 and 4 where it was at from the C sharp minor. And you keep them on 3rd finger, 9th fret, 4th string, pinky, 9th fret, 3rd string. He does this cool like little hammer-on thing. So you can strum this a couple different ways. I'm just going to kind of show you the way I'm doing it. Up, down. But on the down, your middle finger goes to the 9th fret, 3rd string. Your 3rd finger stays on the 9th fret, 4th string where you were, and then you hammer 8 to 9. All right, that might be the hardest part of the verse. You can put it in there or not put it in there. If you didn't want to put it in there, you just go E, B, without that minor, without that 3rd string, otherwise it'll sound minor, so I made a mistake there. So E, C sharp, A, E, B, hammer-on thing in there, I'll give you that. So it's A after the low E, kind of interesting B, C sharp minor. Then you're gonna keep 3 and 4 where they were. Up, up, and you hammer. And after that, it's down, up. So I'll play it again. E, E, B, C sharp, A, hammer, up, up, down, and then to this, okay, E here. All right, so he goes E, which is index finger on the 7th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger on the 9th fret, 4th string, pinky on the 9th fret, 3rd string. And you basically can strum them all. It's the second part of the verse. It's back into the verse. So E, E, it's an E, and then C sharp minor again, A, and then he doesn't do the hammer-on thing the second time. So I'm gonna play it. So E, B, C sharp, A. Okay, you don't have to do that down there, but you go. The main bit is E, B, C sharp minor, A. All right, E, B, without a bar. You don't have to bar it. The C sharp minor, 2, 3, and 4 on the 9th, A, and then you're gonna hammer from the 8th to the 9th with your pinky, but you got to keep this 3rd finger down and let the 5th string, 4th ring over that. So he adds this in every once in a while. He goes, which is just a bend at the 2nd fret. It's a bend at the 2nd fret, 6th string. He just uses one finger probably. And back to that E power chord. So C sharp. And the chorus is really, you could just go. Dun, 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 dun.